You are welcome to my channel. We'll be considering circles today. This is a circle, and in a circle we have the diameter. The diameter is that line that cuts through a circle from its center and it divides the circle into two equal halves. This is a diameter. Now the radius is another one. Radius is that line that cuts through a center that cuts through a circle from the center of the circle to any other part of the circumference. So this is a radius, this is a radius. If you cut it through here is a radius, it's a radius, this is a radius, this is also a radius, and the radius is the same throughout the circle. Whichever way you cut it, the radius remains the same. Now this is a circumference. Circumference of a circle is around the circle. So this is the circumference of a circle, denoted in dotted lines. Now if we check critically, we will see that diameter is 2 of radius. This is a radius from the center to any other part of the circumference. So this is a radius. This is also a radius, making it 1 radius, 2 radius. So we have 2r. Diameter is 2r. If we are given the circumference of a circle, we can also calculate its diameter. How? The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula for calculating the circumference of a circle. Divided by pi. Pi will cancel out pi and you have your 2r, which leads us back to diameter being 2r. So 2 pi r all over pi will give you the diameter. Now the circumference of a circle can be calculated using this formula, 2 pi r or pi d. 2 pi r or pi d. 2r here. 2r here is the d. So it's either you say pi d or 2 pi r, depending on the parameter given to us. Now, what is our radius? Our radius can also be calculated by dividing the diameter into 2. This is our diameter. If diameter is 2 of r, definitely r will be half of the diameter. So d all over 2 will help you to calculate for your radius. Or if you are given the area all over pi. Area is pi r square all over pi with a square root. So when you cancel out pi and pi, you have r square, which will give you square root of r square. Square will cancel square root, which will give you r. So if you are given the area, you can also calculate the radius from the area. Now we have a question to consider here. We have a question to consider. It says, a circle has a radius of 7 centimeters. Calculate its circumference and area. Find the difference between the circumference and diameter. A circle has a radius of 7 centimeters. Calculate its circumference. That's the first question. Circumference. And area, the second question. Also, find the difference between the circumference and diameter, the third question. So this question consists of 3 different questions in one. It's a 3-in-1 question. So now, how do we calculate for the circumference? The parameter given to us is radius. So we'll be using 2 pi r. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Our radius is what? 7 centimeters. And our pi, let's use 22 all over 7. In a situation where you are not given anything, that you are not given a particular number or figure for pi, please, you can use 22 over 7, 3.14 or 3.142. Those are the acceptable set of numbers for pi. So here I'll be using 22 all over 7. So circumference will be equal to 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 times 7. So 7 will cancel out 7 and you have 44 centimeters. This is our circumference. Now area, which is part B. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Our pi is 22 all over 7 and our radius is 7 square, which is the same thing as 22 all over 7 times 7 times 7. 7 will cancel out 7. 22 multiplied by 7 will give us 154 centimeters square. So we are done calculating for our circumference and then our area. Let me clean this properly so that the area will be clear. So now, our C part. The C part says, find the difference between the circumference and the diameter. Our circumference here Our circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. What is our diameter? Our diameter is equal to, diameter here is 2r. So our diameter is 2 times r, which is equal to 2 times 7, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Now the difference between the circumference and the diameter will be equal to circumference minus diameter. So we have 44 minus 14, which is equal, will give us 30 centimeter. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. The circumference is 2 pi r, and we, after substituting all the figures, the values into it, we have 44 centimeter. Our area is pi r square. So after substituting and dividing through, we have 154 centimeter. Now our circumference is 44 centimeter, and our diameter is 2r, which is 2. Let me write it. The marker is going off. 2 times 7, which is equal to 14 centimeter. And the difference, which is the last part of the question, 44 minus 14 will give us 30 centimeter. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be solving more complex questions on circle. If you have any question, you have any comment, please drop, and also share and like. Thank you very much and have a nice day.